This Parrot didn't just play with colors, he broke a world record. In just 33.50 seconds, he correctly identified 10 different colors, picking up tiny cotton balls and dropping each one into its exact matching basket. No second guesses, no mix-ups, just pure focus. He could even tell the slightest shade difference and still move at lightning speed. Smart, precise, and completely locked in, like he knew he was making history. If that impresses you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast.
Imagine